Hi, it's me again with Corel Doll Tips and Tricks. Pretty good question. Somebody's trying to, I'm just going to explain it as we're going. They're trying to trace this, and well, let's just see what happens. Quick trace, outline, trace, clip art. And when it gets done, if you will nudge it over, even if you put, let's trace it again. So basically, there's two questions. And if we specify right here, remove color from entire image, there's still that background. Well, what we need to do is take it and break it apart, go up to object group and ungroup it. And then let's grab that black and move it out of the way. No, so that's his one question. His second question is, so I got rid of that, but his second, I'm going to get rid of all this. If you will find and replace, and remember we've nudged. So right now I'm going to click on this. It's all one group, and I'm going to go and I'm going to cut it. Okay. And then I'm going to select this black leaf. This is if you want all the black leaves. Go to edit, find and replace. I've got a black selected from selection. Find all. Control G to group it. Now, if I take the mouse and right click and paste, the tree's right back where it was. So I can take my black leaves, let's move them down just to see what they look like, and then move them over and up. And now you have all the black leaves. And you've gotten rid of all this 2,500 pieces. I've never really seen that. Normally that is a background that won't show up. But anyway, so, and what I was trying to get at, if you take this and make a duplicate and you control C to copy it and you delete it, when you try to paste it back, it might not paste it in the same spot. So that's why I cut it. Now that time it worked, but a lot of times I get in habit by going paste and it just pastes it in view or somewhere. Maybe I'm getting used to using view. But anyway, so cut and paste works pretty good. Pretty good graphic of a tree. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.